हमारी इस लंबी सी और प्यारी सी दुनिया में कभी कभी कुछ खूबसूरत से पल आना ही होता है जो शायद ही आपने सोचा होगा. सो जस्ट दैट हैपन विथ मी with some of my amazing colleagues, an amazing family, and of course, a beautiful city I had passed through. So, here is a glance.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So friends, actually हम लोग जर्नी कल रात को ही शुरू किया था and yesterday we came out for Mumbai. So from Mumbai we have the next train for destinations. So actually I'm feeling very happy right now that I got the company of Rahul sir from the school itself. So like it has been a great help from Rahul sir कि मुझे उनका कंपनी मिला because of him. So मैं बहुत कंफर्टेबली यहाँ तक पहुँचा मुंबई तक. मुंबई से आगे दिल्ली जाना है. So first of all I'd like to say a huge thanks to Rahul sir for his hospitality, and right now I would like to show you where I am. तो मैं उनके मासी के घर में हूँ और उनके मासा जी हैं, तो मैं उनको दिखाता हूँ. हेलो है राहुल सर का मौसा जी, और
हाय करो,
ये बताया हाय.
हाय करो, कैमरे में हाय करो, कैमरे में हाय करो.
हेलो.
अभी नहीं करने वाला.
तो मैं बाकी के लोगों से भी आपको सब मिलाऊंगा. सो आफ्टर हैविंग द ब्रेकफास्ट हियर विल बी going out to have a glance over the places in Mumbai, but we don't have much time. We'll just have 3 to 4 hours, so within 3 to 4 hours we'll try to cover a few places and we'll visit and we'll enjoy. So Rahul sir is going to guide us again to those places, so stay tuned with us. You'll enjoy the time being with us in this vlog, and once again thanks to Rahul sir. तो अभी आपको फिर से मिलाएंगे बाकी मेरे साथ जो भी दोस्त आए हैं, मेरे कलीग्स आए इस बार मेरे साथ. सो टिल देन विल हैव अ ब्रेकफास्ट एंड विल गेट रेडी. तो आपको पहले मिलाते हैं यहाँ श्वेता सर से, हु इज़ वन ऑफ माई कलीग एंड वर्किंग इन SGIS. तो हाय सर, कैसे हैं आप और आपका जर्नी कैसा लगा यहाँ तक?
बहुत बहुत अच्छा सर, और द बेस्ट थिंग सर आप मिल गए रास्ते में.
अरे!
और क्या चाहिए.
तो यहाँ पे है मैम, सर के वाइफ प्रीतिका मैम. अगर आपने मेरे जुम्बा क्लासेस देखे होंगे जरूर मैम को देखे होंगे.
Yes, we were doing Aspi dance na that time. And it was the best, yes sir.
वो अभी नहीं बताऊंगा, बाद में बताऊंगा. By the way, how was the journey till here?
Awesome, awesome.
And she was actually happy कि आप मिल गए रास्ते में. And because she was happy, so I was also happy. So सब happy हो गया. Thank you so much sir.
देख रहे हो मेरे फैंस.
We are.
So next here we have Payal ma'am, wife of Rahul sir, who also works with me in the same school. So ma'am, आज का जर्नी कैसा रहा आपका?
बहुत टायरिंग सर.
हमारे लोग कहीं तो. हेलो, शी इज माय भाभी नेहा. ओके भैया.
हाय.
हेलो, ही इज माय ब्रदर
Hi.
तेजस. ही इज माय मौसा जी.
और हाँ, मसाज ने बहुत कुछ बताया बम्बई के बारे में, मुझे बहुत कुछ पता नहीं था. थैंक यू सो मच.
मेरी मौसी जी हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ब्यूटीफुल एंड डिलीशियस फूड.
नहीं, सच में आपने खाना बहुत अच्छा बनाया, बहुत मज़ा आया मतलब.
मुझे बनाया नहीं, खाली पराठे बनाए.
लेकिन मेरे लिए पहली बार था, मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया. थैंक यू सो मच. Friends, literally it was a really awesome experience for me in this house, in this home with Rahul sir's family. So now we'll go out for some particular destinations. We'll go and explore those places, and then we'll be off to Delhi. Okay friends, so right now I'm in the market which is called as the Natras market, and which is in the Malar. I don't have anything to purchase, but right now I'm with sir, madam, and I'm not back. There is Swairab sir. Swairab sir, आपने क्या खरीदा है?
कुछ नहीं. बता नहीं सकता, पर हाँ ठीक है.
चलो, actually I don't want to purchase anything, but still just to visit because we don't have much more time left. At first I went to the Oberoi Mall, but सब लोग का vaccination नहीं था, so we didn't get time to go inside. So we're just visiting this market, Natras market, here in Malar. So let's see what we can buy next, what madam and sir purchase. So let's go and visit this place. क्या लिया आपने?
My favorite thing, earrings.
मैं आपने क्या लिया?
This.
I think these are all for girls. Boys materials दिख नहीं रहे. Not for boys, only for girls. Because we have got two men.
Nothing, nothing. Nothing.
We have almost come to the end of this corner, but only for girls.
Still only for girls.
Still only for girls. Hi. भैया लड़कों का दुकान कौन सा कॉर्नर में है? लड़कों का दुकान कौन सा कॉर्नर में है?
राइट में.
इस राइट ना?
हाँ जी.
Thank you. So finally I'm going to the railway station and I'm with the भैया. Okay, so अभी और कितना देर लगेगा?
1 hour 10 minutes.
1 hour 10 minutes. Actually, due to the traffic jam, like I waited for the cab for almost 50 minutes. I waited for the cab, and let me tell you, actually time उतना नहीं मिला घूमने को, so I didn't get much time to tour around here. I got around 2 hours, so within that 2 hours, I just got to tour around one place. That was Natras Market, where I didn't have to do any shopping over there, but still I just roamed around with Rahul sir and Swetup sir and all. So it was a good time with them, and once again thank you Rahul sir for all the help and support. So we'll meet you all when I reach Delhi. So now going to next station, so stay tuned.
See face.
So this is the Ceiling Breeze, friends.
तो दोस्तों, आज मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि खुशी के पल चाहे कितने भी छोटे हो, वो हमेशा के लिए अपने दिल में रह जाते हैं. And so this day in Mumbai will stay forever in my heart, and I will cherish it forever.
Well friends, so finally the train have arrived and I'm going for my last and the final destination, that is New Delhi. So by tomorrow morning 10 am I'll be reaching my destination. So I tried to explore Mumbai. I had just 2 hours with me, so I was not able to explore it properly. But yes, one day for sure I'll do come to Mumbai and explore the places over here, and we'll obviously definitely let you see the good places over here. But right now this 10 days destination is Delhi, so the train is just behind me, and we'll reach tomorrow in the morning. Then I'll be off for my destination. So just enjoy till I reach my sister's home. So see you all there in Delhi. Okay guys, so it's time to go now. Finally I'm inside the train now, so we'll meet in Delhi now. Bye. Hi everyone, good morning. So finally I've arrived in Delhi. So right now I'll be going to my sister's home, and then next I'll be planning to go to my next destinations. So this vlog is still up to here. So from tomorrow I'll be planning to do some other places. So stay tuned to my channel with me in some new places with me, and also I'll let you meet a few more of my new friends. So stay tuned to my channel. We'll meet you soon in the next destinations. Bye bye. Stay safe.